Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get your stamp from Naniwa for the underwater expedition prep in Heartopia. So talk to Naniwa here and then select the expedition volunteer option. Nina, I was just about to go catch some insects. Then what insect did you catch today? Leave it to me. I just have to submit one insect which I already have in my inventory. But if you don't have it, there will be just butterflies around Naniwa anyways, so you don't have to kind of go around. I think this is one of the more easier quests that they have here. Press the same button again, and then select whichever insect you want to give to Naniwa. I'll just give it the orange tip one. Submit. Oh, it's this one. I think I've seen it before. Where was it? Next to you. Oh, well, I can't recall. What were you about to say? Oh, right, recruiting volunteers for the Whale Canyon expedition. Don't worry, I'll come and have fun. I'll help out when I can. And then you'll get a stamp from Naniwa. Oh, okay, this one's also very pretty. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!